The Nike Air Foamposite Pro remains one of the most distinctive silhouettes in Nike basketball history, known for its futuristic construction and bold visual identity. Instead of traditional leather, the upper is formed by pouring synthetic resin into a mold, resulting in a sculpted shell with natural depth and durability. The Spring 2026 reissue brings back the iconic university blue colorway, paired with white and midnight navy accents. The wavy foam upper reflects light differently from every angle, giving the shoe a dynamic and almost fluid appearance. Clean white panels on the tongue and lace area balance the vibrant blue, while mesh ventilation and leather details add texture and dimension. A large three-dimensional swoosh on the side instantly identifies the Pro version, setting it apart from other Foamposite models. Originally released in 2003, this colorway returns more than 2 decades later as bulky retro basketball shoes regain popularity. Its mix of innovation, nostalgia, and bold design explains why the Air Foamposite Pro continues to attract attention across generations.